Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This is going to be tutorial 6 for the series AWS AI Practitioner Certification Preparation. And let me just reassure you that 90% of the questions in your actual exam will be from the series only. So I would request you to follow the series thoroughly so that you can get a quite good score in your exam. So let me just start this video with 51st question of the series. A company needs to choose a model from Amazon Bedrock to use internally. The company must identify a model that generates responses in a style that the company's employees prefer. What should the company do to meet these requirements? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct answer. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option B. Evaluate the models by using human workforce and custom prompt datasets. This is because to determine which model generates responses in style that the company's employees prefer, the company should evaluate model using custom prompt datasets relevant to their specific use case. Additionally, involving a human workforce ensures subjective aspects like tone, style, alignment with the employee preferences are effectively assessed. So option B is correct. Now question number 52. A student at a university is copying content from generative AI to write essays. Which challenge of responsible generative AI does this scenario represent? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct answer. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here is plagiarism. This is because plagiarism is the act of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. In this case, a student is using AI generated content without proper attribution, which is a form of plagiarism. So option C is correct here. Now question number 53rd. A company needs to build its own large language model based on only the company's private data. The company is concerned about environmental effect of the training process, which Amazon EC2 instance type has the least environmental effect when training LLMs. Here are the options. Okay, let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option D, Amazon EC2 TRN series. Because Amazon EC2 TRN series are purpose built for training machine learning models and are designed to deliver high performance while optimizing energy efficiency. They use AWS Trainium chips, which are specifically engineered for ML training workloads, providing excellent performance per watt and reducing the environmental impact of large scale training processes. So option D is correct. Now question number 54. A company want to build an interactive application for children that generates new stories based on classic stories. The company want to use Amazon Bedrock and need to ensure that the results and the topics are appropriate for children. Which AWS service or feature will meet these requirements? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option C, guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. This is because guardrail for Amazon Bedrock provides the necessary tools to ensure that the interactive story generating applications remain safe, appropriate, and engaging for children, making it the best choice for the scenario. So option C is correct. Now question number 55. A digital service company want to predict customer demand for memory hardware. The company does not have coding experience or knowledge of ML algorithm and need to develop a data-driven predictive model. The company need to perform analysis on internal data and external data. Which solution will meet these requirements? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct one. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option D. Import the data into Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Build ML models and demand forecast predictions by selecting the values in data from SageMaker Canvas. This is because Amazon SageMaker Canvas support to build and run AI solution without code. So option D is correct. Now question number 57. A company has installed a security camera. The company uses an ML model to evaluate the security camera footage for potential thefts. The company has discovered that the model disproportionately flags people who are members of a specific ethnic group. Which type of bias is affecting the model output? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option B, sampling bias. This is because sampling bias occurs when the data used to train the model is not representative of entire population. In this case, if training data contains an overrepresentation or underrepresentation of certain ethnic group, the model may disproportionately flag individuals from a specific ethnic group, leading to biased outcome. And this is happening in this case. So option B, sampling bias is the correct answer. Now question number 58. A company is building a customer service chatbot. The company wants the chatbot to improve its responses by learning from the past interaction and online resources. Which AI strategy provides the self-improvement capability? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct answer. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option B, reinforcement learning with reward for positive customer feedback. This is because reinforcement learning method allows the chatbot to learn from the outcomes of its actions, essentially receiving reward for positive customer feedback and adjusting its responses accordingly to maximize those rewards in the future. So option B is correct, reinforcement learning. Now question number 59. An AI practitioner has built a deep learning model to classify the types of material in images. The AI practitioner now want to measure the model performance. Which metrics will help the AI practitioner evaluate the performance of the model? Here are the options. Go through all these options and try to guess the correct answer. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A, confusion matrix. This is because confusion matrix is a key metric for evaluating classification models. It provides a summary of the model's prediction, showing the true positive, false positive, true negative, and false negative counts. This allows AI practitioner to understand how well the model is classifying the different types of material and helping in calculating other important metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. So option A is correct. Now question number 60. A company has built a chatbot that can understand the natural language questions with images. The company wants to ensure that the chatbot does not return inappropriate or unwanted images. Which solution will meet these requirements? Here are the options. Okay, now let me reveal the correct answer. Correct answer here will be option A, implement moderation APIs. This is because moderation APIs can help filter out inappropriate or unwanted images by analyzing and moderating content before it is returned to user. This ensures that the chatbot maintains safe and appropriate interaction, reducing the risk of inappropriate image being shown. So option A is correct. So friends, this was all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great learning and please do subscribe this channel IT India.